everyone, Myra here. Welcome to my channel. And we are back to our old setup. So, full face ngayon. And yes, we are going to do a full face makeup today. By the way, before we begin, do subscribe to my channel if you still haven't. And kung magustuhan nyo man itong video na to, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends na gusto mong matutong mag-makeup. So, let's begin! Okay, so I've already moisturized my face, and for today's foundation, I'll be using this Revlon Color Stay in the shade 150 Buff. Alright, so let's just spread the product around and I'll blend it using my damp sponge. Because this product is quite thick and heavy. And maninipisin natin siya using our damp sponge. And then, maglalagay na rin ako ng concealer under my eyes. And for that, I will be using this Maybelline Age Rewind. Maglagay na rin tayo dito. Konti lang. Blend natin. Blend. Okay, I'm trying to work fast here kasi hinahabol ko yung tackiness dun sa aking lid area. So, I'm going to set my face with Eyeshadow Final Powder in the shade Ivory Glow. And I'm also going to bake my under eye. Ano na rin yan? Pang-protect sa ating eyeshadow in case may fallouts na magaganap. Dahil uunahin ko yung eyeshadow ko ngayon. Okay, and then sa rest of my face, I'm just gonna dab. Okay, so habang tacky pa yung dito sa aking lids, eto na. This is what we're going to do different. Okay, habang tacky pa siya, para hindi ko na siya balikan mamaya at lagyan ulit ng concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and get this green shade over here with a flat shader brush and ilalagay ko na siya sa aking mobile lid. Para kumapit na siya. And ilalagay ko lang siya about 2/3 from the inner corner. Ayan. Kasi hindi na ako maglalagay ng concealer ulit. And hindi na rin ako maglalagay ng eyeshadow primer. So, with a teeny tiny blending brush, pupunta ako dito sa green shade over here. This is a matte shade. By the way, guys, hindi ko pala nabanggit, no? Ang ginagamit ko na palette for today is the Impressed You palette again. Because I still feel like hindi ko pa siya na-explore ng gusto. And I want to explore this palette even more. So, with this matte green shade, ilalagay ko siya dito sa outer third ng aking eyelid. And then, diba, parang ganyan. I want more. And then, I will bring it up to the crease. So, i-blend ko siya pataas sa crease line. Okay, now that it's there, I'm gonna use a bigger blending brush and use this brown shade over here. And then, I'm going to diffuse the edges of this green shadow over here para matulungan siyang mag-blend out. So, parang ang ginagawa natin dito is reverse. Instead of starting with the transition, nagsimula tayo sa accent color ng mobile lid. And then we're going up, up, up. There. So, i-diffuse lang natin yung shade na yun. Okay. Now with the bigger blending brush, I'm going to get this shade. Parang skin tone shade siya. Okay. A bit closer to my skin tone. And then, yan yung ipang blend pa natin further up hanggang dun sa ating brow bone. Okay na ba? Okay, I think I'm happy now with the blending. So, i-dust off na natin to so we can work on our lower lash line. So, I'm gonna take that brown transition shade that we used and then lagay lang natin dito sa baba. Okay, and then kukunin ko yung matte shade na green and ilalagay natin siya dito, much higher than the brown shade. And maglagay tayo ng highlight with this color. Ayan, dito lang. At saka sa inner, dito sa inner corner. Okay, mamaya ko na tapusin yan, makikilay muna ako. Using my EB Advanced Eyebrow Kit. Ayusin muna natin yung kilay ko kasi I can't stand it. Okay, now that I have my brows on, maglalagay lang ako ng liner and then falsies, mascara, and I will be back. So, there you go. Nandiyan na yung aking lashes. And then, I will put on now the mascara. And I'm going to use this Maybelline Lash Sensational. Okay. Parang nakukulangan ako sa eyes ko. So, maglalagay ako ng brown eyeliner. This is Wet n Wild. This is in the shade brown. Okay, lalagay ko lang siya dito sa lower waterline. Okay, moving on to contouring. Parang ang tagal ko naglagay ng lashes. Anyway, for my contour, I will use this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette in this shade Dulce de Leche. And parang galit na galit yung contour. Di bale, i-blend natin yan. Okay. Takpan natin yung malapad nating noo. Okay, and then I'm gonna use this one, the highlighting shade, to further highlight the center of my face. Okay, mag-contour naman tayo ng nose and I will be using this NYX Contour Highlight and Contour Pro Palette and I will be using this shade. Okay, for the blush, I'm going to use a peach blush. And then, dito lang siya sa outer side ng cheeks. For my highlight, I will be using this Maybelline Master Chrome Face Studio. And the shade, what shade is this? Yung Molten Rose Gold. There. Okay, malapit na tayo matapos. Okay, for the lips, I will be using this EB Matte Lip Liner in the shade Sexy Nude. Yan. So, actually, meron itong liquid lipstick. This one. Kaya lang, hindi ko bet to sa look na to kasi mas bright ang register nitong liquid lipstick. So, mas gusto ko to ngayon. So, ito yung gagamitin natin. Okay, I don't like it flat, so magdadagdag lang ako ng gloss. And this is, what's this? A gloss from Daiso. So, maglalagay lang ako dito, sa gitna. Ayan, so I think we are done. So, maglalagay lang ako ng accessories and then I will be back.